Okay, it is 14 minutes past midnight on Sunday the 25th of January. And this is the prayer room right now. Just gone midnight, and have a look at what is occurring. We are giving prayers wings, and quite a lot of wings indeed. We've got Shiraz is doing a great job. We've got B and Doriana doing a great job. And we're like sewing all these origami birds onto these long, like this, well, it's one long length of string, zigging and zagging back and forth. And the best bit is yet to come, because we're going to put it in the sanctuary so that the birds are hovering above the congregation. And we're not quite sure how we're going to carry this upstairs without it totally tangling.
God's will.
It's going to be a challenge, but we will video our attempt at doing it.
Really?
Yes, we will.
Lord, we pray for your protection on that ladder.
It's all going to be great. And
Can I be cameraman on the next one? That's my opt-out. Yeah,
Oh, so yeah, watch this space, people.